Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this tablet. First of all, you need to click on Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in Files. After that, you need to install this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then click on Continue and tap on Allow. Now, in order to use files, you need to tap on this gray sweater next to Allow access to manage all files and tap on the back button. Then open your app again just to be sure and tap on Browse over here. Finally, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!